Hey guys, I'm Shawn of WebPianoTeacher.com. Today I'm going to teach you how to play Say You Love Me by Fleetwood Mac. Let's take a listen. All right, so there we go. Guys, I am here for all of you out there who have struggled with traditional music lessons and you just need a different way to learn, okay? Some people just need a different way to learn, right? So it isn't that you can't do it, you just need to do it maybe a different way than traditional music and piano lessons have taught you, okay? So that's what I do. I try to take away that roadblock that maybe is reading music, learning how to read the skill of reading music, which has been this huge mountain in front of you that keeps you from the music you love to play and want to play. So let's kind of take that away. Let's go a different route and learn a different way. And I've made a career out of this, been doing this for 30-something years, and it works. It works for a lot of people. And I have members of the website that are 90. I have members of the website that are teenagers, and people that have been with me for all 17 years I've been online. And it works for them, so give it a try, see if it works for you. So we're going to start with left hand A octave. A. So you're kind of like the kick drum and the snare in there. The pinky's the kick drum, the thumb's the snare. Kick, snare, kick, snare. If you've ever played a drum set, right? Kick, snare, kick, snare. So that's what we got there in the left hand. The right hand's going to have two chords, E, A, C sharp. So 1, 3, 5. Go ahead and get my fingers ready for that. And then here you have a D chord, at least a taste of it. You have F sharp D. There's A in the left hand where the A would be. But you keep your thumb on E the whole time, okay? See that da-da-da for that part there? So you have 1 and 2 and 4 and. The curved lines are mainly for me for the rhythm. Some of you like to try to read my rhythm on the sheets. The curved lines are more eighth notes, and the dashes are held note values. 1 and 2 and 4 and. But it's da 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 da. Now for this rhythm, there's always going to be an eighth note going, either left hand or right hand or both hands together. So usually when we have a rhythm problem, it's because we're not holding a note long enough. That's 99% of the time. We just rush over a note that should have been held. But this one you won't have that problem because you have that eighth note going the whole time. Da, 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 da. Show you what I mean. So you have together, right, left, right, together, right. So there's always something going on. Because of that, it's going to help us with our rhythm on here. Even though it's a cool sounding rhythmic beat, it's not as hard rhythmically as some things. 1 and 2 and. Now don't ruin this with pedal, right? If you just held the pedal down, some of you do that, and it just ruins it. Here's no pedal. Kind of split the difference. A little bit of pedal. Just here and there will make it just perfect, okay? So, anyway, you go together, right, left, together, right. 5 times. See the bracketed 5? 4, 5. Then you have this measure. I'll go ahead and show you this measure. A, F sharp, E. Right hand has the same chord, A chord, and then we go to an E chord, E, G sharp, B with 1, 2, 4, and 3, 4. So there's where you're going to hold. 1 and 2 and hold, all right? So let's do the 4th and 5th time here, and then we'll do that measure. Here we go. We're back to the way we started. So guys, I hope you enjoyed that free part 1. If you're a member of the site, you can download all my sheets and learn the rest of the song. I take you all the way through it, hold your hand, and help you learn the whole thing. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Talk to you later.